back everyone to Skincare and Beauty with PerkiPerkins. How are you guys? So as you can tell from my title, today it's a very exciting day. I wanted to do a little unboxing of a box. It's actually a subscription box that I'll never probably be able to buy on my own. Just a little backstory. Back in August, it was like late July, early August, Technique Tools, they had a giveaway on their page and I happened to be the lucky winner. For some reason, there were some issues with shipping and I didn't get my giveaway prize until last week. You know, work, family, and all that fun stuff. So I couldn't do a video, and YouTube was just not wanting me to do a live, I guess, because it had me on standby for a hot minute. So for today, I wanted to do an unboxing of the giveaway I won, which is dun, 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 dun. This is the Sundae Riley quarterly subscription box. So as you can tell from the theme, the box is a summer theme, and it's what I won. I basically won their summer box for Sundae Riley, since Real Technique tools are featured in this box, which is really cool because I actually do not own any Real Technique brushes or sponges. I purchased a sponge a long time ago, and now from talking to people, I realized I got the wrong sponge because I had purchased the pink one, which was like hard as a rock. But so I'm really excited to open this up again. Sundae Riley does have their own subscription box, which is quarterly, so it comes out every 3 months, kind of like FabFitFun. The only thing about this box, and trust me, I've wanted to get it since I found out during winter of last year. So if you do it as reoccurring, because you could do reoccurring and it'll be like $89 plus tax per quarter, or if you could do a one-time purchase, which is $99. I couldn't see myself paying $100 for the subscription. So I just never pulled the trigger, honestly. I couldn't do it. I mean, in my brain, that's 4 or 5 other subscriptions I could pay for the price of one. So I'm so thankful for Real Techniques for basically me being the winner. I'm thankful my box finally came. It would have been a bummer if something happened to the prize, but thankfully it finally came back to me. But yeah, let's get going and open her up. This is how the box is packaged, which is pretty massive. I'm gonna set this down. We already see the first item on top. The first item in the box is the Sundae Riley Tidal Water Cream, which is funny. I actually got this in my September BoxyCharm box, but of course BoxyCharm never gives you the box. It's just the actual product inside, the product itself. The packaging is very pretty. Ooh, nice. So something I didn't get from Boxy is the spoon. Huh. It's actually round. That's kind of neat. So since I opened the other one, I'm not gonna open this one because that starts the sale time. But this is how it looks. It's a great cream. It's not thick, but it's not watery. It's like a nice little soft consistency, so I like it a lot. I've just started using it a few days ago, actually. Ew. So this is a little booklet. So this little booklet actually tells me everything that's inside here. So that's great. And it actually gives me the retail price. The Sundae Riley cream is $65. Actually, I was looking at this. I don't know what this is. This says Carry On Cocktail Kit, the Italian Spritz. Oh, it has like an emergency kit to make a cocktail. It comes with, I guess, liquor. I don't know. It's actually a syrup of some sort that you're supposed to mix to make some kind of cocktail. So that is cool. I don't drink, so I will see what I do with this. Since this one's popped open, let's check her out. So you guys can see right there. This is Tan Luxe, the body, illuminating self-tan drops. I guess it knows I'm gonna need a tan. This is a light medium tone. It's pretty nice packaging. A tanning concentrate with skin firming properties transforms your favorite body lotion, cream, or oil into, ooh. So I can actually use this to any lotion or whatever, or a body oil, and it helps to tan. That's actually neat. It says no streaks, no smells, no drama. Vegan, friendly, and cruelty free. Yay. I'm actually curious to try it since I do get ghostly white during the winter. And right now, this is me with the tan. So white lady is gonna be coming soon. Next is from R&Co. Foil Frizz Static Control Spray. So it's a hairspray. I had some of their products sent to me previously. I did like their shampoos, conditioners. They're pretty good. I've never tried their hairspray. So the reason I won, this is from Real Techniques. Again, they were one of the featured brands inside the box, which is why they had this giveaway. And I got the 5-piece. It's called the Prestige Performance Everyday Essentials Blush, Foundation, Shadow, Highlighter, and Concealer Brush, and their sponge. So again, I've been curious to try this one since last time that I did try to use the brand. I actually bought the pink one, which was hard as a rock, and I've heard the orange is the bee's knees, so I'm really excited to try it. I've also heard that their brushes were pretty cool, so I'm glad to give these a go. Next is a candle. This is the Kush candle by Boy Smell. This smells pretty darn good. It doesn't smell like, you know, weed or anything like that. It has a very soft, kind of powdery, like baby powder. Like a fresh baby powder smell. That's what it smells like to me. According to this, it says it's cannabis, suede, white musk, tulips, and amber. Cannabis, diem, musk, blanc, tulip. Oh, that's the French words. Anyway, so it's just cannabis, suede, white musk, tulips, and amber. So I'm definitely excited to try this out since I haven't purchased any candles, and usually I'll buy a couple to start a new season. This is from Kula. It's called Skinny Dip, and it's a sheer mineral lip product. So it's a nude. Doesn't look bad. It almost looks like my contour. Smells okay. Kind of like crayons. It has SPF 30. It says 70% plus organic. Sheer mineral luxe. I didn't put no lip product before I started filming, so my lips are pretty dry right now. It just looks natural. That's cool. I got a book they want me to read. This is K.A. Tucker, Say You Still Love Me. Tearjerker. Anyways, then I got 2 deluxe size samples because I've gotten the tiny little samples before. So this is considered a deluxe size sample. So these are the deluxe size samples of the A+ serum and the Good Genes lactate. These 2 are phenomenal. Like, I stretched out the ones I got from Allure Beauty Box this past January, and I think I'm down to the last few drops of the A+, and I might have 1 drop left of the lactate. It's white so you can't see it, but these are great. It's just this one is like $100+, so again, I won't buy it because it's so expensive. And it came in a cute little pouch that says Sundae Riley. I wish we would have gotten like a big one. That would have been super cute. Ooh, it has like the squishies. Ooh, it's a bangle. Lana Bernard. Let me open her up. I'm usually not a jewelry person, but this is actually very nice. It's very simple. It's just very nice. Let's see if it fits. I'm dumb. Anyways, but it fits. It has the wrist is open, and I have really thick wrists, just so you guys know. It's typically really hard for me to find any bracelets, watches, or anything like that, so this is really cute. I actually really like this. I've always been a person that likes like the jades and the stones. I used to collect ambers when I was younger, and I had a huge collection, so this is actually a piece I would absolutely wear. So this is so cool. I'm very appreciative. Thank you so much, Real Techniques. So this is what I got for my summer Sundae Riley box, in parts by Real Techniques. Again, I won their giveaway. It's absolutely amazing. Though this poor box had a journey, you guys. I guess it had been shipped and they got shipped back to their headquarters. It was a mess. So, but yeah, but I'm very thankful for winning this giveaway. This is actually one of the biggest giveaways I've won, and I can't, you know, let me know what you guys think of this box, because again, it is a subscription box. Riley will be announcing their next subscription coming out for the fall theme, so I'm curious, will you guys be purchasing the Sundae Riley box? Did you guys like any of the items that I got this month? Or I'm sorry, let me rephrase it. Did you guys like any of the items that I got in my giveaway box? Because again, I'm not purchasing this again. I'm very excited for some of the other subscriptions that I do have. As you guys know, I have a lot. So anyways, thank you guys so very much for joining me, and I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Comment below and remember to subscribe to my channel. Thank you guys so very much. Goodbye.